I'm Ann Milneck, chef and owner of Red Stick Spice Company. It's Small Business Saturday, and I'm here with a reminder about the one small thing you can do that makes a big impact. This summer was especially tough on small retail businesses. We saw less of you walk through our doors, and we heard you when you say you've changed the way you shop and think about purchases. And I'm here to say, I get it. From stocking our shelves to maintaining the supplies we need, we've changed too. I've been at this for 12 years, and suddenly, running my business, it all just feels new and different. And I understand that the way you shop is different too. I've listened, and I know you're really thinking through and carefully considering every single purchase. So I'm sure you're wondering, what's the ask? It's Small Business Saturday, and my ask is the same today as it is every year. Shop small and shop local. But it also comes with a reminder. When you shift even a small percentage of your holiday shopping budget to local businesses, it makes a big impact. For every dollar you spend, 70 cents stays in the local community. Large retailers can't say that. It's called the multiplier effect, and those 70 cents help build resiliency in the local community. Consider a small shift of your dollars today and during the holiday season. It helps. Shop small, y'all. It makes a big difference.